Switch to a Layout tab. Click on Layout 1 or Layout 2 at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Open the Layout tools. On the ribbon, go to Layout tab, Layout Viewports panel. Choose Rectangular or Multiple Viewports. Click Rectangular to draw one viewport manually, or click Multiple Viewports, 2 vertical, 2 horizontal, 3, 4, etc. Select a viewport style. AutoCAD will let you choose how you want to split the screen, e.g., 2 vertical, 3 right, 4 equal. Click in the layout to place viewports. AutoCAD will automatically place the viewports based on your selected style. Adjust viewports as needed. Click each viewport boundary to resize or move. Double-click inside any viewport to activate model space and adjust the view or zoom. Lock the viewports. Recommended. Select a viewport, right-click, Display Locked, Yes. Prevents accidental zooming or panning later. And that's it. Your layout now shows multiple views cleanly. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick AutoCAD tips right here on 1979 CAD Guru. Until next time, keep drafting smart.